guys, it's Sadeja, and today I'm going to show y'all how I got these long butt length knotless braids. I used about 6 packs of Knotless braiding hair and 1 pack of free choice water wave hair. You want to separate the braiding hair into your desired size depending on how big you want your braids, and then cut the pack of water wave hair in half, so the water wave hair is now half the length. Start off by braiding your real hair down about 1 inch, then add in 1 piece of braiding hair, wrapping it around your natural hair. Be sure to use a wax or edge control on your fingers while braiding to prevent frizzy pieces from coming out of your braid. Continue braiding the hair down about 2 inches, then add in the second piece of braiding hair, wrapping it around the braid. Make sure you separate the pieces of hair evenly so that all 3 strands of hair are all the same size for a neat braid. So, like I said, make sure that you cut the water wave hair in half because you don't need a long strand of hair for the end of the braid. So after braiding the hair down to the end, add in the water wave hair the same way and braid it down about 1 inch, leaving the end of the braid wavy. So as y'all can see, when I was braiding my hair, I was not able to grip it at the scalp really tight because this was my first time ever braiding my hair, ever having to part it, do singles, add in hair, all that. All I really know how to do is wigs, but I loved it. The results were so cute. I loved it. I'll definitely try it again, and I hope you guys like it too. So if you guys like this video or find it helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media.